with only short periods of nursing. That is 15 hours. Yay! Yeah. Where's your smile? Where's your smile hiding? Where is it? Yeah, it's in your mouth? Take it out. Let's take it out. Take that smile out for a ride. Yeah. Now we got the hiccups, huh? It's okay. Yeah. Are you still tired? You want to go back to sleep? That's silly. For a sleep marathon? You want to have a sleep marathon? Huh? Yeah? Wow. Oh, we could have a sleep marathon. Yeah, that's so silly. Yeah. So serious? You were just joking with Mama. You were just joking with Mama. You're not so serious today.
Hey. Hey, Anaya.
Who's that? Anaya. Who is that? Is that your daddy? Yeah. That is your daddy. Hi, Daddy. We love you. Said we love you, Daddy. Yeah. Gonna sit up a little more. Up. Oh, let's pull your little pants down so you have room to stretch your toes out. Are you sagging? There you go. Hi. Are you learning to suck your thumb? It can be hard, I know.
Work that leg. Yeah.
Bicycle, bicycle. I like to ride my bicycle. Bicycle, bicycle. I like to ride my bicycle. Okay, it's the pillow. The pillow's not working out so well anymore.
Hey. Smile for the camera. You're on camera.
What is Daddy doing with that thing? That thing is so silly looking. Why is Daddy holding that thing?
Huge baby. Huge baby.
Oh my goodness, look at my giant baby. Wait, try, okay, stop it.